This tip is going to show you how you can combine slides from different presentations into one. If you have ever found yourself having multiple slides presentations on the same topic, but you want to pick and choose slides to combine and make one new presentation, you can do that by opening up one of your presentations and then on a separate tab, have your other presentation open. And then you can start picking and choosing the slides that you want to combine together to make a new one. You can either start off by selecting one presentation that is going to now become your main final presentation, or you can open up a new blank presentation and choose and combine into that one. For this example, I'm going to keep this presentation as my final one, and I'm going to bring in some slides from the other presentation. So to do this, I'm going to go to this presentation from where I want to extract the slides. Click on the slides that I want to extract from here into the other one. If you are planning to collect all the slides from this presentation to bring to the other one, then you can just click on the first slide, scroll all the way down to your last slide, hold down your Shift key, click on the last slide, and this will select all the slides in this presentation. You can then right mouse click and go to copy, or you can go to edit and copy. Once you do that, come to your presentation that is going to be the final one. Choose the location where you want to paste the slides you just copied. So if it's going to come after slide number 4, click on slide number 4. You can click under it. So now you see your cursor is over here, and this is where you will be able to paste it. And then you can go to edit and paste, or you can do a right mouse click and paste. If you are not planning to get all the slides from here, but you only plan to get some of the slides, click on the first slide that you plan to extract, hold down the Control key on your keyboard or your Chromebook, and just click and select the slides that you are planning to extract from here. Once you have selected all the ones you need, let go of your Control key and then do the same process of either edit, copy, or right mouse click, copy, or you can even do Control C if you are on your Chromebook or a PC, or Command C if you are on a Mac. Come to the presentation where you want your slides to be added to, select the slide under which your new slides are going to go, click so you know the exact location, and then either edit, paste, or do a Control V if you're on a Chromebook or a PC, or a Command V if you're on a Mac, or a right mouse click and paste. You will then get a pop-up that will ask you if you do not want to link your extracted slides to the original, or if you want to link to the original presentation. What this means is if you click on Do Not Link, then any changes made over here will not reflect over here. If you say link to the original presentation, then what happens is if I go to my original presentation and over here, if I make any changes, that will be reflected over here. So for example, if I add a text box and type in some information over here, when I go to my final presentation slide that I just extracted to, I'm going to get a little button over here that says Update with a drop down. I can click Update and the information will show up over here, or I can click and say Unlink, which means it will unlink this slide from the original and they will not be communicating with each other for any changes that happen. This is a useful tip when you have multiple slides on the same topic that you want to consolidate into one, but also keep the individual slides presentation for any changes you might want to make in the future.